Here's a quick tip for the beginner woodworker. Pre-drilling, countersinking, drilling pilot holes seems like a lot of extra steps, but in the long run, it'll save you time, save you headaches, and save you money because you won't be splitting and cracking your wood and breaking screws. So this is a piece of cap molding that fits onto the planter that I'm building. You can see that I've already pre-drilled and countersunk the holes. And before I attach this piece of molding with stainless steel screws, I'll drill pilot holes. Stainless steel screws are relatively soft. This is sapele wood, which is relatively hard, and that's a combination that can easily break a screw. I've got the molding in position, and I'm also going to clamp it in place so it doesn't shift while I'm driving the screws. I'm using a drill bit that's just a little smaller than the screw, and I put a piece of painter's tape on the bit so I don't drill too deep. And now I can drive the screw. Okay, well that's just a quick tip, but one that'll definitely help you out with your woodworking projects. And the thing about woodworking is it takes time and you need to be patient and follow the steps. And if you think about driving that one screw, there were 3 steps there. Pre-drill and countersink, drill a pilot hole, and then finally drive the screw. But all those steps in the long run will save you time because you won't have your wood splitting and your project looking unprofessional. So if you follow the steps, you'll end up with a professional project that I know you'll be proud of. If this is the first time that you've visited my channel, I hope that you'll subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll see this planter project that I'll be posting in a week or 2. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. If you're looking for a good outdoor woodworking project, click on the link to the planters that I made last year, and if you want the plans, click on the link below it.